All right, today we're reviewing an absolute legend for the Boston Celtics. I mean, when they fleeced the Brooklyn Nets with Kevin Garnett and Ray Allen and all that, that was insane. Because they ended up getting this guy and Jaylen Brown, who both have been working out just fine for them. Jayson Tatum's cold, kind of same thing with that De'Aaron Fox in this Prizm set. I love how they did the silver and the black, and then the player right down the middle. So that color really, really pops with the green jersey. I do kind of wish they did like one of Tatum's signature mid-range shots. Those always look super sweet. But overall, this one's cool too. With him kind of in that triple threat mode, ready to either back down a defender or he's getting ready to drive to the basket. One of the two. So that is the Prizm rookie card there. I'll show you the back as well. And it shows you his stats at Duke. So pretty much a stud at 16.8. He was a beast. And kind of some stat lines as well. And the year 2017-2018 Panini Prizm basketball set. So there you have it. That's the PSA 10.